Welcome to SiteOwl Support. In this article, we will review how to see and export your service tickets. Before we get started, note your navigation menu to the left side, which stays with you throughout the site and provides quick shortcuts to Dashboard, Sites, Service Tickets, Site Devices, Projects, and Project Devices. Click on the third icon of a wrench for Service Tickets. The Service Tickets page is broken into two parts, the Filter section at the top and the Results section down below. We'll look at the Filter section first. Please note, the filters default to showing all pending on your statuses, which excludes closed tickets. To include closed tickets in your view, simply open up and filter for all statuses. In the Filter section, you can click the arrow next to any filter criteria to select an item from the dropdown. This will narrow your results to only the tickets that match that filter criteria. Once you have selected the filtering criteria you need, check the filter box on the right-hand side. If hovering over a particular arrow turns your cursor into a red circle with a line through it, this means that filtering criteria is either not available or is dependent on another filtering criteria first being selected. Next is the Results section, where all of your tickets in the report will display. You can see that we have filtered this report by it showing 5 of 11 tickets shown in the top left section. Clicking on the ticket number or subject will open the ticket so you can review the details further. You can also change the sorting of the columns by clicking on the up-down arrows next to any of the column headings. Clicking on the arrow initially sort it by the up arrow, which is ascending or A to Z. Clicking the arrow a second time will sort it by the down arrow, which is descending or Z to A. Here you can see that the due date has defaulted to being sorting by the fact that the up arrow is already gray. If the report isn't displaying the data you want to see, you can configure the columns that are showing. Simply click on the Configure Columns link to the right of the Tickets Shown information to pop up a Configure Columns box. Selected boxes will appear as blue check marks next to the filter criteria name. Check and or uncheck any of the boxes until you have the right criteria selected. Once you're satisfied, simply click the Update button. You will now see you have additional columns showing. You can also edit tickets directly from your Service Tickets page. In the top right, there is a checkbox with Inline Edit next to it. Click on the checkbox to turn on editing. You will now see a pencil icon to the right of each column header that will allow editing. Hover over the cell for the column and ticket that you want, and it will turn dark gray and a blue pencil will display in the top right corner of the cell. Click on the pencil. The cell is now in edit mode. You can enter your data as is, or expand your cell by clicking and dragging the box below. To save the information, simply click outside of the cell and it will automatically save. Make sure when you're done to deselect the Inline Edit box to take you out of edit mode. This helps prevent accidental data entry later. Once you're satisfied with the state of results shown, you can export your report. Click on the Download CSV button at the top right of the Results section. Your computer will pop up a Save As box, asking you where you would like to save your file. After the file has been saved, you can open it on your computer for further review or sharing it with others. Take a look around and let us know what you think. And welcome again to SiteOwl Support.